or welcome back to my channel. Myself Sumana and I hope you all are doing great. Nowadays so many weddings are happening around us, so I'm here to help you survive this wedding season in some way. I am going to a wedding function right now, so I thought why not get ready with you guys so that you get an idea about the wedding guest look. So I already shoot the whole process. I hope you like it. In this video I share with you my makeup hairstyle outfit for this wedding. So today I wear this saree from my mom's collection. So I wear this turtleneck sweater because now it's winter. It's my first time wearing a saree in a wedding ceremony. So let's see how its look turned out. I will showing you the whole look by the end of this video, and now let's start the makeup. Before start the makeup, I always done my nail first. Today I go with this golden colors nail print from Huda Beauty. First I apply this Himalaya lip balm to moisturize my lips, and it's going to ready for the lipstick at the end of this makeup. So now I jump for the foundation, and I use this Lakme liquid foundation. Shade number is 04, and I use it only my forehead and the eye area for start the eye makeup. Okay, I already moisturized my face around 15 to 20 minutes ago after the face wash. Then I set my eyebrows first. For that I take this black eye pencil to draw the line. Now I fill the gap with some black eyeshadow by the eyeliner brush. Now for conceal my dark circle, I use this cream concealer from the nude shade palette by Skin Plus. You also use any liquid concealer to make the eyeshadow base, and I apply it with my finger. Now I start my eye makeup. For that I use this dark palette from again Skin Plus. So first I take this peachy shade called Demure for the transition shade. I apply it with this brush, only the crease area. Then I take this shade called Blaze and apply it with my finger first, and then blend it with this brush. For the center of my eye, I am using this golden shimmery shade called 24K, and I apply it with my finger, only the middle portion of my eyelid. Now I quickly apply some foundation all over my face and took some powder to fix the foundation. Here I use this Lakme Absolute Compact. Shade is 03 Golden Sand, and this shade was perfect for my skin tone. Also it has some shimmer, so it good for parties. Then again I take this same shade, apply it on the lower eyes with this brush. Then for finishing my upper eye makeup, I take this Lakme liquid eyeliner, and today I draw the thick line and give a wing to make a traditional eye look. Now I am going to use this Lakme Iconic Kajal on my lower waterline. Then I spade it with the brown eyeshadow, but I think black look more appropriate, so I also apply the black eyeshadow. Then I go for the mascara, and I use this Lakme Iconic Mascara to give some volume on my lash. Now I apply the same shade to blush my cheeks. For the brightness and glow, I take this pink shimmery dust from the Blue Heaven, and first I apply it at the corner of my eye with my finger, and then I use a brush for highlighting my face. Lastly, for my lip, I use my all-time favorite Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. and the shade is 06 Floral Candy, and this color was perfectly matched with this saree. Now finishing my makeup, I go for the hair. So I thought making a low bun hairstyle for today. For that, first I do the side partition on my head, and now I took few hair in front side and twist it, then pull up like this and secure it with a bobby pin. Now I repeat the same process on the other side. Then I make a low ponytail with this rubber band. Now I do two sections on this ponytail and take one by one section to make a braid. Then I make a bun and secure it with a U-pin. Now you decorate your bun with some gajra or flower, choice all yours, and I don't use anything for today. Now for the accessory, I have two options in earring. One is this golden one and second is this pink one. So I think I choose the golden one because it's proper match with this outfit. Also it complements the hairstyle. Lastly, I add a very tiny stone bindi to complete my look. The earring is very beautiful and big, so I don't have to add any necklace here. Also the saree has very heavy border on it, so it looks already very pretty. Now I am showing you the whole look after going to the party, so let's go.
A few moments later.
So here is my final look, the heavy embroidered saree with the same color turtleneck sweater, and I quite happy with this look. It's a very simple but elegant at the same time. So that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. If is it, then like, comment and share, and the most important thing, subscribe. And I see you soon. Till then, take care, keep smiling, and thanks for watching.